Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the Buchanan family. Today it is, who knows what day it is today?
Tuesday.
And today, oh my gosh, guys, the weather yesterday has been so bad. You okay?
Hi.
But yeah, the weather yesterday, so when we came back from band practice, I didn't get a chance to talk to you, but oh my gosh, like this hurricane or this ex-hurricane, whatever you want to call it, storm was horrific. My car was getting blown about the motorway. Something awful, really bad. Like the speed limit was like 70. Couldn't go 70 at all. I was going like 50. Everybody else was going like 50. And then you get like stupid idiots like bombing past you at like 90 miles an hour, and their cars like, because it was so windy. And then last night, oh my gosh, last night was even worse. Woke the boys up like 4 times. They had to come upstairs. They were not happy. Our shed doors blew open.
Because we had to sleep in it.
You slept on the couch, yeah, that's right. Because they both wanted to sleep in my bed. Ain't happening. So the 2 boys slept on the couch. But then, as I said, the shed doors blew open of the shed in the garden. I don't know how that happened because the shed was locked. So I don't know how that happened. So Thomas had to go out at like 3 o'clock in the morning, close the shed doors in his pants. And Daddy was in the garden in his pantaloons. So anyway, today, as I said, it's Tuesday. We are actually at the National Museum for Rural Life, which also has a farm at it. We're not going to the farm today because the farm will be wet, muddy and windy. We're going to go...
Closed.
It's not closed, it's opened.
The tractor thing.
Yeah, the tractor's closed, but you can still walk it. But what I'm saying is, I ain't walking in the mud and this wind and the rain. So we're going to go into the museum part, and apparently they've got a craft on today. So we're going to go do the craft. Does that sound fun, Sky? And then after that, we are going to go to Lidl and get some shopping. And then Sky has swimming tonight, which means bath night for the boys.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Every time when Sky goes swimming at night, we always get a bath.
That's very true. Do you like that though? Yeah.
It's
So
super
let's go to the museum, guys, and yeah, let's go. I don't think it's going to be that busy because the car park isn't that busy. So, but maybe a lot of people got the same idea as us. So let's go. Come with us. Come with us. Let's go.
Let's go.
Pop. You're so funny.
This used to be a thing that you could clip onto a tractor, I think.
Tractor, or do you think it was a horse?
Tractor.
I think it was a horse, Guy.
Horse.
What do viewers think?
Sat on the horse.
Maybe. Or maybe you sat down here. I don't know. Like I've seen things like this before. Maybe you did sit there. I don't think anybody sat on it. I think it was just pulled by the horses. We'll Google a picture when we get home. Okay. Right, we're ready. Here, go wild in autumn. It is winter, guys. It is not autumn. So today, Sky, Argyle, it's make your own flying paper kestrel.
Flying paper kestrel?
Yeah, kestrel's like a bird. It's not like a bird, it is a bird. Come on then, wee man. Kids have got some quizzes to do, haven't you, Sky? Do you want to show everybody your quiz? So they've got to find... Oh, sorry, on you go.
Find the pictures.
We need to find the pictures of these things that's on the quiz. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to hunt, and then we're going to go down there, Sky, and we're going to do the craft. We're going to do the craft down there. You can see the table set up there. We're going to go down there and we're going to do that. If you find something, Argyle? No, you cheeky monkey. That's not what we're looking for. And then we're going to let the kids play bit, guys. Yeah, so we're going to go and do that. This is the National Museum for Rural Life, as I said, and literally it's about what life was like in the rural, when there was rural things, rural times. I don't know, but it's fun.
This is a real frog they use.
I don't think it's real.
It is.
No.
Yes, it is.
No. I think it looks like a model, Sky. It doesn't look real.
These ones look like models.
I think it's actually real.
That's real.
No, surely that can't be real. What have you found, Argyle? Beasties?
This is what it actually looks like when it started. Nails the second, does the third, does the fourth, does the fifth.
Wow. Oh, do you not like it, woman? Look, so you have to decide which one goes where, but someone put them all in. So adult frogs, so they start off as frog spawn, right? That's the baby frog. Then it grows into a tadpole. Then it grows into a tadpole with legs. Then it grows into a froglet, and then it grows into a real frog, an adult frog.
Was that real?
Sky thinks it was real and now it's dead. What do you think?
I thought my pencil was something.
You gonna do a brass rubbing?
Yeah.
Yeah, what you gonna rub? That sounds funny, doesn't it? What are you going for? This? What is it? Oh, well, let's see in a minute. Right, go. Let's see if it works out. Okay, Owen, you get yourself a bit of paper. Right, keep going. The paper's there and the thing next to Sky. What's that? Right, let's see. Oh wow, well done, Sky. You want a piece of paper open? What one are you going to do? You're going to do this one? No? Yeah. Right, you want a crayon? What colour would you like? Would you like this grey one? Yeah. Oops, it's really dark in here. Right, you ready? You hold it like this. Look, give it to Mummy. You hold it like this. Right, go. Rub, 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 rub. What are you doing? Why are you taking your coat off? I'm going to dress up. Do you remember we dressed up before?
Yeah.
Do you? When we came here last time?
Yeah.
What are you going to dress up as? It's so sunny. But it's windy. You're going to be a beekeeper?
So is there guy like?
What are you going to be, Owen?
I guess not Drew.
What you go? No, it's just for your head. There's a wee outfit in the box.
Oh, bumblebee.
You're going to be the bumblebee? Come on then, I'll help you. Yeah, there's there's gloves.
Oh,
Yeah. It is for a bumblebee. Do you want to be the bee?
The bee.
There's a bee on the list.
This baby bee. It's so funny. Not today.
Beekeeper, catch that bee. Catch that bee. I'm feeling this could go on for a while. So someone gets tired or hurt. I do not normally vlog in the bathroom. Hello me. Hello Argyle. Hello Owen. Hello Sky. But this is so funny, guys, right? Honestly, I kid you not. Argyle didn't know how to turn this tap on. He's never seen a tap like this, and he didn't know how to turn it on. He was pushing it. You know, like you get the ones where you have to push them down. He was like pushing it, and it wasn't working, and he didn't understand that you get ones with sensors and all that. And I was like, no, you have to turn it like that. That was funny, wasn't it?
Yes. Why is that mirror right there?
Why is there a mirror right there so you can see your beautiful face?
This is my
Kestrel.
castle.
You're gonna make it. Oh, you're gonna throw it.
I'm going to throw my.
I'm gonna throw yours. Right, go. Whoa, that went really far.
We're going
See your Sky.
away some.
Oh.
Gonna go way high.
I'm looking at Sky. It's just there. Look at yours in a wee minute. Let's see it, Sky. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look, Sky's kestrel has love hearts on it. Just what every bird of prey needs, some little cute love hearts. Right, the boy's going to throw it. Oh, that's a good idea, Sky. Sky's going to take to the stage with her kestrel. We're going to give her a score out of 10. Welcome to the ultimate kestrel throwing competition. Ow! That one hit me.
That one wasn't good.
You're so. Oh, but yours just flew and hit my foot. Right, you ready to go again?
Yeah.
Right, go. Let's see. Right, go Sky. Woo! Maybe
I thought I was.
the bit of blue tack needs to go on the other side. Like on the underside of it. No? Like, did you put the blue tack on the top of it?
Yeah.
Maybe the blue tack needs to go under there. I don't know. Try it and see if it works better. What do you think? Or you could try a paper clip instead, it says. Paper clip might work better. Hello, my beautiful friends. It is now 10 to 6, so it's a little while after we left the museum place. I'm kind of looking like crazy. I don't know like what's going on with this bit of my hair. I don't know. My hair's kind of looking a bit ratty. I don't know. Let's just go with it. But yeah, so it's super windy outside, guys, so I think this is the reason for the hair. Here comes, who's that? Sounds like Thomas. Oh, it's Sky. Hi, Sky.
Hi.
So, yeah, we're home. Let you finish your dinner, darling?
Yeah.
Ready to go swimming?
Can I get yogurt?
Yes, of course you can. So, yeah, we're all home from swimming. We went to Lidl. Okay, you have that yogurt then. Yes, so we're back from swimming. We didn't go swimming yet. We're back from the farm. We went to Lidl after the farm. Now we're home, put the shopping away, kids have had their dinner. Now, I really took, when we were in Lidl, right, I don't know what it was, I took a real hankering to make a loaf of bread. I've not made bread in forever, like, I don't know, maybe like 3 years or something, so literally like forever. So I'm gonna make bread. So come with me, make bread with me, see how it goes. I had like nothing. I had my bread flour, yeast, olive oil, just everything. So come with me and we'll see how this bread turns out. It could be really bad. The recipe I'm using, if it turns out good, I don't think the recipe's bad, it'll probably just be me, is the one from the BBC Good Food website, and it's just called Easy White Bread. Like, that's it. Literally, it's flour, salt, yeast, olive oil and water, and that's it. So it's super simple. So yeah, come with me and we shall make bread and we shall see if it works. If you remember, we went for this photo shoot last week and it was with Caroline and photography through in like Paisley, and that's some of the pictures. So look, I'm going to show you them. Ah! How cute are my kids? How cute are they? Alright, let's see another one. Look at the boys. And then there's another one. How cute is that? That would be like amazing on a Christmas card, or oh my gosh, like our end slate for Christmas on our vlogs. What do you think? And let's see, like there's one of wee Sky, and that's all that she put up. But how cool are they? And she said that she's going to get us some prints because we didn't pay for this. We were like her they were like her models. So I'm excited to see. So she says we can get some prints and we'll put them up in the house and stuff. And I'd love to make one of them into a Christmas card, maybe that one. Make it into a Christmas card for you guys, so that this Christmas we could send out Christmas cards with our kids' faces on them to all our viewers. How cool would that be? Mummy's bread.
Love it.
Is it nice? Yeah. Are you waiting for some Poppy? You're not getting any? Nobody's sharing because it's too delicious, isn't it, Sky? What do you think of Mama's bread?
Fell in love with my life all over again.
No, have you?
Oh, amazing.
Thanks. But yeah, this loaf is not going to last long at all. I think I'll be making another one tomorrow, eh, Sky?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yum, 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 yum. Sky's home, guys, from swimming, and she was picked for another swimming competition.
Was it?
Yeah. What did you think it was?
I thought it was something for time trials.
No. No, it says where your time is, and it says that they got your time from time trials. Yeah, see, because you've not swam really any competitions with Glasgow yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yes, so Sky is home and it is late at night, guys. It's like 10:30. Sky has been out walking the dog and just
We saw foxes.
farting about. I think farting about is the best way to describe what you've been doing, eh? Eating Mummy's homemade bread and farting about. No farting was involved.
Eating Crispies.
Eating Crispies, walking the dog, googling at foxes. Ogling foxes, I don't know. But anyway, we're going to go to bed tonight, guys. We're going to go to bed now. I'm going to read to you comment of the day. We've not done comment of the day in a little while because the software that I was using to you know, like before the comment of the day would come up on the screen, and like the software, or do you call that software? The stuff I was using to make that happen changed, and I can't do it anymore, and I don't know how to find where I can do it elsewhere, so it's not really feasible. Like right now I just can't put it up because I don't know how to make it go up. So If anybody knows, if anyone can recommend like a free software that I can use to make it happen, then thank you. But today's comment of the day, let's see, comes from Haley D, and she says, I'm going to say that's funny, yo yo yo. I don't think she said it that way when she wrote it. Love you guys. Please can you go live on Instagram? Love you guys. We did actually go live. I replied to her and I says, yes, we're going to go live on Instagram. Be there in 10 minutes. She wasn't there because she was eating her dinner. But I mean, I went live on Instagram. If you don't follow us on Instagram, you should follow us on Instagram. It's just the Buchanan family. Thank you to Haley for your comment. Thank you for all the other comments. If you want to be comment of the day tomorrow, what should they do? Comment on this video.
Comment, of
yes,
course.
comment of the day. So thanks guys, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Do you want to hit the screen?